What's up, traders? Welcome to live streaming from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard, your trading coach. We'll be doing a live trading session, live analysis, and live discussion that we do every trading day. Today is, as you know, that the market is very volatile. As usual, there is a news coming up later today, and we'll be jumping on the lower time frame today, as I discussed earlier. We'll try to find the best trading opportunity possible in this live session for you guys. So make sure before I begin this session, give a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. So we'll be looking at gold again. We did some part of this session before London session, and what we have seen from gold price action, that the price is supposed to drop and the price did exactly. So we'll look at now where we can see a bounce. Now, as you can see from the higher time frame perspective, we see that gold, if you look at the weekly time frame, there is a significant drop in this price action. Now the gold is in a level of support, which is a very important level at 1824, which is also turning the previous resistance, turning support here. And I think that today we could see that during the news, we could see that the gold is breaking this level, and there is a gap opening on the weekly, and I think that there is a huge probability for to have a primarily a bounce on gold from this zone, and we will be looking at everything that we see in this live session. So let's see one by one. We'll jump on even on the 5 minutes time frame to see how we can find trading opportunity on any instrument wherever giving us. We'll combine higher time frame with the lower time frame as usual to find the best trading opportunity possible. So before I begin this fully doing everything, guys, make sure you use the live chat if you have any question, and also don't forget to like this stream and be present for the whole session, as anytime I might call out a trade if I see anything. And also, if you guys have any opinion about the market, don't hesitate to share with other members. So again, guys, looking at gold, there was a very long bearish engulfer here the previous session. This is a pre-London session candle, Tokyo session, and we saw that there's in fact that candle back to back after previous days. You know, there was a doji here news time. There was a big liquidity gap with this doji, and from that zone we have seen back to back, you see back to back two long red candles giving a strong move, and now the last one also is a bearish candle. What I think that during this news, you see that, I mean, delete all of them to find the possible support zone here. Now this level at 1824 is a very important level, and this is the level that what I think that gold likely to penetrate, okay, grab liquidity, and then we could see that gold is reversing from this zone. And I think that there is a higher probability because there is a lot of liquidity in this level. Why? Because firstly, there is a weekless candle in this zone. Okay, this is the weekly time frame, and we see that there is, once again, there is a weekless candle here with a gap opening. So this is not a fully weekly, there is a little bit of weak, but which is very little, and you see there is a gap opening. Now this gap has not been tested yet. It's a big gap. So if you look at, it's around 80 points or 8 pip gap. It's in fact big gap, and that gap has not been tested yet. You can see that. And there is also a 20 EM at 1820 level, and there's a previous resistance turning support back to back, two dojis high. So there is a certain bounce from here on gold. What I think that, and if you look at this Fibonacci, looking at the monthly, there's a lot of confluence aligning with this level. We take our Fibonacci on the monthly, we see that from the monthly exactly at this level on 1820 38.2, There's 1828 is where we see 38.2% Fibonacci level. And what I think that we should see primarily a bounce from this level, from this Fibonacci, and from the weekly we see the same thing. There could be a bounce from this level. So with that in mind, what I think that gold probably highly likely that from this this is the resistance here, turning support here, and we should see a bounce from this level on gold. And I'm waiting for that bounce because the price already has a significant drop. And for selling, let's say if you want to sell gold, what I need is for this price, in case during this news, to go up and test this level here, which is less likely. I think that gold might first will come down here, grab liquidity, and then will reverse from here. Okay, so if we use very lower time frame, this is the 5 minutes, you can see that, and we see that there is a long console that you see the price is completely moving in a sideways. And I think that until the the news is released, we could see the market is moving in a sideways, and then we might see a spike down and up like that, creating a doji. And from that place we might see that gold in fact bouncing to the upside. Okay, so this is what I will be waiting for, an entry opportunity on gold. If we see gold is coming here, we might open a buy position in this live session, guys, with you. So make sure you stick till the end. If there is anything here, we'll jump on a trade. Okay, guys, just a second, I'll come back. Just a half-minute break, guys. Just need to see what. Okay, guys, I'm back. Thank you very much for your patience. So let's see from the time frame perspective. So what do you see that, guys, on gold? This is a very important crucial level at 1824. I'll be really happy to open a buy position once it will be here. So this is the plan for gold, for buying from the support, or selling if we see that I don't think that gold will reverse from here. I strongly believe that gold will drop further because it still didn't come to 38.2% Fibonacci level. It's almost nearing there. Okay, and I think that it will first break this low, and then we might see that significant bullish move on gold later. Okay, so this is one probability, and we'll look at other instrument how they might be doing one by one, guys. We'll jump on mostly on 5 minutes to see which one is giving the best trading opportunity. Let's look at Gbpjpy, and I think that there might be a trading opportunity on the lower time frame. I'm just drawing the level on Gbpjpy in this lower time frame. Now this is 5 minutes chart on Gbpjpy, and at 160.55 is the level that I'll be looking at for GJ to drop and to give us a potential opportunity to buy here. Now if you look at the daily on Gbpjpy, there is in fact a daily bullish move happen. You can see that after the market creating an overextended market, we see now the price is coming back down again, and you can see that there is already a double bottom here, or triple bottom, what you want to say, has a breakup. Now we see the price is coming back down to test this neckline of this previous resistance and support here. So from the higher time frame perspective, yeah, so let's see on GJ as well, we might find some. So GBP pairs including Gbpjpy, if we look at the 5 minutes, so this is the zone that we will be waiting for the price to drop, and how it is reacting will determine to find a bullish trading opportunity. GBP/AUD is where I see that there is a probability for a bullish trading opportunity. As you can see, this one also coming down to support. This is the daily candle on GBP/AUD. Already we see a bullish move. Now the price is coming to this level of support. Okay, you can see GBP/AUD back to back 2 daily dodges. Now today also we have seen significant bullish move. Now we see the price is coming down. That means that on GBP/AUD as well, we might find from this level an opportunity to buy. Okay, so let's jump on to 5 minutes here as well. Okay, so this one as well. Okay, so this, let me draw all this support. Okay, so this middle one is very important level on GBP/AUD, this level for potential buying opportunity on the lower time frame, which is also a very important level on the daily. We look at the weekly as well. Yeah, this is the weekly support zone here. Monthly, it's also monthly level, can consider on. Okay guys, so GBP/AUD, so GBP pairs currently we see some downward movement. We might find some lower time frame trading opportunity on GBP/AUD. Okay guys, so we'll be looking all of them one by one. So guys, I need a like, and also don't forget to subscribe. I will pause for 2 seconds so that everyone check that you subscribed, and also you like the stream. That's really helps. I know that you're helpful when you like and subscribe. That's really helps the channel to stay, and also help me to stay motivated for creating more content. As you know that it's a late night, I wake up just to run the stream. Thank you very much for your help. So 2 seconds, I pause, smash the like button. Thank you very much. So GBP/AUD, this is the level that I will be looking at, including Gbpjpy. I'll be looking at on Gbpjpy for further drop. Okay, so let's look at first news calendar, guys, to see what we can expect in the upcoming news. $12:30 a.m. USD. Yeah, correct. So all of them are crucially important. Tomorrow there is a UD news coming up. So the market is very volatile. AUD news also is coming up, and there will be definitely some good trading opportunity on AUD as well, guys. In the meantime, guys, if you wanna trade with us also in our private group, you can find a link in the description area. You learn our strategies and also trade with us every day that we do. We do have a private group where you can learn our strategies and also trade with us. Along with, you will experience all the trading tools that we have. Link in the description. There is a discount going on. You can join us to learn our strategies and also trade with us. So I think until the news, we might see the market, especially the gold market, might be moving in a sideways a little bit, but that's fine. That's the news come up, and in the meantime, we prepare for the upcoming action. What we will do, we'll see how we can do that. And as I mentioned yesterday, guys, you know, I love trading in smaller account. Yeah. Some of you guys might be looking at my account, how I'm doing it. So basically, as I mentioned, that I just love growing a smaller account with bigger gain, and that's how my strategy works in scalping. So the one we're discussing like yesterday is about, as you know, that the news is coming, so we might be preparing for it. But in the meantime, as I mentioned, that our goal in Forex Trading Wizard Academy to help the traders to be, you know, to learn how to, you know, how to trade with a smaller account, which is very important. I know that you see that there is, as I mentioned yesterday, most trader will tell you to use a bigger account to make money, but from my perspective, I always encourage a smaller account for the bigger gain until you become a very proficient trader. So being a proficient trader is important because see, if I realize, if I remember my first day or first month, even first year of trading, and now, you know what a difference I find? Believe it or not, the only difference I found is the fear, nothing else. Okay, the only difference between the first day, first month, or first year of trading and now is only fear. Everyone knows how to trade, how to, you know, all the strategy. The only thing that you need to master is your fear. So how do you do that fear? You know, it's a big part of trading psychology, is understanding your fear. Okay, so to master fear is only giving yourself some time to gain experience. You know, it's a big part of your trading. I have a question for you guys before I'm moving forward, is that let me know in the chat, what is the secret of being a profitable trader, or what is the secret of being successful at anything? That's the simple question. Let me know in chat what is the answer. So the question is, what is the secret of being a successful trader, or what is the secret of being a profitable trader? Let me know in the chat so that I know exactly you're up to. I'm gonna turn on the music. Let's see if it's something you like, or I should turn it down, or I should turn it off. Let me know your ideas. So okay, so let me look at now dollar yen. Okay, we saw that during the pre-London session, live session, this is what I mentioned on dollar yen, is you see that there is a bullish engulfer. Okay, what I expected, in fact, dollar yen to come down to test this zone and then to go up, but it didn't come. That's fine. We see that significant movement to the upside. Now what I think that dollar yen, if I look at the 5 minutes, let's look at the 4 hour first. See, dollar yen will be selling if it reach this resistance or break this resistance, and then will be selling, because this is where you will see the price will break all this level here. Okay, I think that during the news we might see this is being broken, and this is where the lower time frame comes in. Okay, we had a, for those who are in the VIP channel, you know that we had a live session today in our private group. This is where I explain the strategy that we will be using in the 5 minutes time frame. So we will use only one strategy, and that strategy also will be available for all the students to learn. For 5 minutes chart, we will be using only one strategy. That's my favorite trading strategy that I always use. I love to use, that works all the time. That you can see that I grow a smaller account to a bigger account using this strategy. That's the real account that I'm using. So let's see, this is what, there's only one strategy, because lower time frame don't have time to practice a lot of strategies. So dollar yen, for me to give me a trading opportunity, I need dollar yen to hit that resistance level. Okay, either to create a lower high or to create a higher high, and I think that it's gonna happen. It's going to there. We see a strong movement on dollar, and if you look at the news, we see that these are the 3 important news coming up at 12:30, and that news might give us a very good direction on all of this dollar pair, including AUD USD and GBP USD. So let's look at Aussie dollar. Tomorrow and after tomorrow, Aussie dollar coming news, very volatile. Okay, all right, before I start this session, I have already drawn level for the Aussie dollar to give us potential trading opportunity. Okay, so I will be looking at this zone here on Aussie dollar, looking at daily. Okay, so this is where I will be waiting for potential buying opportunity, because Aussie dollar already has dropped today, significant drop. The market is now overextended to the downside. Looking at first of all monthly, you can see that AUD USD on the monthly, let's see the Fibonacci. You can see the price is almost nearing this 38.2% Fibonacci level. Okay, so we can expect a bounce at, this is what I have done, 0.6795 level, which is also aligning with 38.2% Fibonacci level. So this is the starting of this movement here on AUD USD to this level. Now we can expect a retracement, which is, we are expecting to 38.2%. Looking at weekly, now if you closely look at what you see, that the price has broken the previous weekly dojis high, created an overextended market to the upside, grabbed liquidity. Now the price is coming down, right? So weekly also we see now potential drop on dollar, Aussie dollar. Now this is a very important liquidity zone, and at the same time there's a trend line here. looking at daily here. Okay, this is the daily candle. As you can see, after the previous day's liquidity grab, the price now coming down. Now previously also I told you guys that price normally moves from liquidity to liquidity. This is only the things that the price does, and this is how the price moves, you know. So basically what I think that AUD USD is coming to this support, and then we'll be buying on the lower time frame. Hello, thank you very much. So GBP USD, absolutely look at it. Thank you Jerk. GBP AUD for please, yeah, absolutely look at it. GBP AUD, I think we might find a bullish opportunity. Start with the US30. Thank you, no problems. Absolutely look at it. Hello from, thank you. US30, what the level you marked on the charts? Are there a few levels? Chart, yeah, which instrument chart? Let me know, then I will know exactly which one you are talking about. Okay, so hi sir, so would it be good to buy at 1825 area? Yeah, I think so. I will be buying from 1824 zone after the news, see how it happens. We'll be buying at 1824 level. I think short term, not long term buy. I think that, you know, on the news we might find some bullish opportunity on the gold on 1825 level. Okay, let's see how the news has been released. Hi coach, thank you. Him, Anisha, also can we have a look at your NZD? Absolutely look at it. Shall I go for sell position at this level now? For which gold? There will be drop, there will still, there is a probability to drop, but the price is approaching the support, and I will be more interested on buying here rather than selling. What I think that we might see from this level a short-term movement to the upside. Okay, GBPSD, can you kindly check dollar yen? Absolutely. Hey coach, any news today? Yeah, there is high impact news coming up, absolutely. In the meantime guys, if you are looking for any regulated broker to join, there is a link in the description. Also I put a link in the chat. You can join Ever Trade, they're regulated. Link in the description. Also there is a link in the chat. You can start with as minimum as $100 with them, trading with them, and also you're supporting us. Thank you very much. Getting so a double bottom would not need to have the same price level. Pedro, what do you mean by, can you explain why the double bottom not needs to have the same price level? Double bottom not need to have, what do you mean by? Big drop. Euro cat, please, absolutely. Thank you, master your area of experience. Thank you. Risk management, awesome. Trading psychology, very good. I'm fearless in demo account, but when on real account I lock up and freeze. My demo account starts 5,000 5 days ago. It's now 16k. Amazing. That's a very good point you raise. I don't exactly know your name. Your username is XCLR. Very good point. I'll jump on that point. That's a very good point, guys. Before we come to the place of what I called because the market is a little bit of sideways until the news. So let's get to the point that you have raised, that you're fearless on a demo account, and this is what actually I was presenting here on in my account, guys. That is the fear. You see that in demo account you are fearless, but in real account you're freezing. Not only you, everyone in the same boat as you know. So basically what happened is that when you are trading on the demo, you know that our mind, everything is governed by our middle brain. Okay, so how we operate in this world, our mechanism really impact how we trade and operate everything. So by only understanding, you solved 50% or more than 50% of your problem. Is that, let's say when you are trading on the demo, you are very calm, and when you are going on the real account, that's where you feel like, that's what I was telling, that when I started first year, first month or first year, and today, the difference is the fear. Okay, and that fear keeps us freeze. Now why this fear comes? See, anything we see by our eyes outside, okay, is there's a meaning behind we put. Let's say if I tell you that I show you a tree and you say it's a tree, right? So that tree that you see outside, you label as a tree, there is an image of that tree in your brain, and there is an experience of that tree in your brain. And if you look at the bird, in the same way, when you look at the bird, it's a name, but there is an image associated with experience in your midbrain that generate emotion, what kind of experience you have. Now when you look at your trading account on the demo, your midbrain knows that this figure is not real. You exactly know that. But when you use a real account, that your middle brain knows that this is the money that you had to earn doing a lot of hard work. Now this money is going up and down, so you fear that losing that account or losing that money. And the middle brain, see, our brain is wired by evolution or by historical data in our body, is wired to keep us safe, not to keep us successful. Once you understand, you are almost 80% successful. See, if you go back to our history as a human history, regardless of anything, you'll see that our ancestors lived in a cave, in jungle, millions of years, right? Thousands of years. So that time they were in a survival mode. Most of the time our ancestors live in a survival mode. So what is a survival mode? Is that our brain operate in couple of ways. So when the brain is in fear, it operates in a survival mode. Okay, survival mode means either fight or flight or freeze. Okay, so that's an automatic. Now when we see our trading account, the money going up and down, our brain switch to a survival mode. And when it is in a survival mode, then every one of us, we make an irrational decision in our trading. Okay, so that is the problem. That, not problem, I should not say it is a problem, it's a phenomena that we need to understand. So then how you can overcome these things is by giving more and more experience. There's no other way. Okay, how do you give more and more experience? See, first time, imagine that first time, if you jump from somewhere, let's say you jump from when we were children, we used to jump from the bathroom slab. Okay, so we used to go at the top, jump. So first time you feel a bit fearful, but you jump, right? Once you jump, your brain will remember that experience, and it will say, okay, this is not that much fearful that I thought. It's okay. It's not, I'm not getting hurt. And then you'll jump again, and the more you'll do that, your brain will experience you'll remember that experience. It's okay, it's not that much hurtful. So slowly the fear will subside, and then you make enormous profit from trading. Okay, so then the question, coming to the answer, that the question was, what is the secret of being successful? You guys get an amazing answer. For me, is along with what you have answered, is the secret of success in everything, in trading, in everything, is in not quitting. Okay, that's what I'm telling you, trying to understand. The biggest problem happens in trading that I saw is when we come in trading, in the beginning we go to the end where we cannot come back anymore. Let's say we lose a big amount of money, or blow a couple of accounts, or take a big risk, or have a negative experience, and then we jump out of the trading in a very short period of time. But if you can stick to it, okay, for let's say at least 2 to 3 years, very, very high probability that you will be a successful trader. Because that's what I'm telling you, you only need to give your brain some experience, okay, learn proper risk management, that's the answer is, and give yourself permission to stay there for an extended period of time, and you see how to make money, how to gain freedom. See, trading is just, you need a regulated broker, and then make money, bring the money in your account, and then live a life, right? So just need to give yourself some time to learn. And I would say that rather than losing, invest in your education. This is the mistake that I made when I tried to do by myself everything. You can do it, everyone can do it, but it will take a lot of time from you. So learn from someone who knows it, and then accelerate your trading education. That's what I can say to you. Okay, so let's look at now, the news is coming up very soon. Pardon me, guys. Okay, looking at Gbpusd AUD, I saw the Gbp pairs were quite impressive. Okay, Gbp AUD has formed a double bottom here now. But for me, I should see at least testing this level here, 1.7456. Okay, so in this lane, there's no stopping this flame, cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like. Yeah, that could be a very good place for playing buy position from this level on Gbp AUD. In the similar way, GJ. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. See, gold is not moving anywhere. Just waiting for the news to be released to have a spike up and down. Again, I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. Okay, so looking at AUD USD, we see that AUD is dropping aggressively, and if you look at this daily chart here on AUD USD, what I'm expecting on the lower time frame to give us a bullish trade from this support. Now you can see that this is a very important level of support. And why it is important? Because the same level acted here in the past, okay, as a resistance. There was a very strong movement happened from here to the downside. You see from this level there was a drop, okay, and when the price has broken up, tested this as a support, and again created this big move from here, tested as a support. Now the price is coming down. What I'm expecting for AUD USD now come here and to have at least creating an overextended, to have a bounce on the 5 minutes, okay, on the lower time frame. Now if you go to the 5 minutes here on AUD USD, there's a level to look at, okay? And I'm expecting to have okay, already we saw that there is a level has been violated here.
Again, I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon.
When you look at different time frame, it really helps to understand how the market is moving. So we'll be looking for bullish trade on AUD USD.
I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say
So from the weekly point of view, breaking this support on AUD USD will be a really good place for potential So we have a news coming up in 15 minutes, right? Okay, awesome. Never give up. Yeah, absolutely. Thank you. Consistency, small for a period of time while managing is amazing. RM, thank you very much. Yeah, I understand this. So the real account is, that's what I'm telling you. So yeah, absolutely, chat. Thank you very much. So what you need to do is basically for the, as I mentioned, that the only thing is just you need to give yourself some time and experience, because see, what we think we do consciously, as a matter of fact, it's unconscious. That's the truth is. So because the emotion plays in a manner that we sometimes very difficult to understand. So The day you will feel like that you have overcome that emotional, you gain emotional resilience, then you'll understand. The main thing is, as I mentioned, that is just to stick to the game. Thank you very much. Yeah, absolutely, thank you. What I learned after joining your program is risk management and position sizing. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, Chad, absolutely, you are 100% right. You are 100%. That's the risk management and position sizing. That's the key points of learning being a trader. And unfortunately, I saw that many traders do not do the proper position sizing. It's very important that you do that. Thank you for that. Can you check gold? Yeah, we'll look at it. Are you thinking gold will go down after news? I think that during the news we might just spike down, going to the Fibonacci level, and then we might just spike to the upside. Do you turn off the music? Okay, I can turn off the music, absolutely. Dear coach, when you go for buy in gold, can you please declare it here on live? Yeah, absolutely. This is what I will be doing. Any trade I will be opening during live session, I will absolutely call it for everyone. I don't even remember that I'm on live with you guys or with the VIPs. The only thing is that that time is limited, and I do VIP live session as well, and also YouTube community live session as well. So whenever the trade is coming, I'm calling it. So, and the difference is that if you are on a VIP, then there's more trades coming up, hopefully. That's the thing. And also you will be learning and all the educational stuff that we have. So please, absolutely, dear coach, when you go buy in gold, oh yeah, absolutely, yeah. How to prevent early profit taking? Okay, Torong, very good question. How to prevent early profit taking? So the way you can prevent early profit taking is by not looking at the trade. See, this is what I called a set and forget strategy. Very effective. Try this one. Okay, unless you are so once you have a strategy, for example, you know when to buy, when to sell. So the best way to to prevent early profit taking is set and forget a strategy. For example, let me give you an example. We still have a couple of minutes to go. Let's say you have a strategy. Okay, for example, even with this TF indicator, you have a strategy, or you have a trade to open. As an example, you found a trade here with this doji. Okay, now you open the trade, you go long, stop loss below this low. Let's say you target 3 times, okay, or 2 times or 1 times. Now what are you gonna do? First, find out the lot size, either pending order or by market order. Place the stop loss, take profit, entry, do proper lot sizing, make sure double check, triple check your stop loss, lot size, everything is correct or no, because if one mistake could make your account blow. This is what happened when trust me, I made all kind of mistakes that humanly possible in trading. Some of them you can say the stupid mistake to the smartest mistake. Everything you can't find in dictionary how many mistakes can happen in trading, that I made all of them. Okay, I'll tell you what mistakes that you might feel very might say, oh, how these mistakes can be done. So everyone needs to learn from mistake. So that's why I'm telling you, triple check, okay, that lot size and everything. And then what I suggest, that once you done everything, forget about this trade. Don't look at it. Okay, don't look at it at all. Let the market go to your stop loss or let the market go to your TP. Pretend that you have never taken a trade, okay? But you have to do that, you have to have a strategy in place that is back tested and proven, that makes money over time. So you have faith on your strategy, and then either losing or winning, keep doing it. Over time your account will grow. This is only the way that I found not to take early profit. Otherwise, if you look at the trade on the way, you will, like everyone does, everyone will think, okay, probably this trade might, I see there's a double top now, the price will reverse. Or you might say, okay, there is a resistance coming up, there is a support turning resistance, probably the price will reverse from here. I'll lose all this profit, let's take that. There's a lot of suggestion will come, and that will ruin you. So this is what I found. That now the reason I'm telling you, triple check, double check, okay? I quite a few accounts I lose when I there was an account of 25k, I remember, I think second year of my trading. Only in one trade, by mistaking in stop loss, I lose that 25k account. Okay, so what I did is I took a 5-time target, 1-time loss, and all that gone in one trade, going the other direction, didn't put the stop loss, completely wiped out. So all kind of mistakes may happen, so that's why the caution is very important. I think it could be a good buy, jerk, because I think that GA might be bullish because they're back to back 2 dodges. Now today also the price was bullish. Okay, dollar yen is bullish. Okay, thought on a UD CAD, yeah, absolutely. Dollar yen, my friend, yeah. Hello, what's sentiment for gold, please? Cash them, yeah. Buying now AU. Okay, so AU, okay, let me look at first dollar yen, GBP AUD, GBP JPY. Dollar yen very strongly bullish, right? Dollar yen, I think that this resistance will break, okay, and then from this resistance we could find selling opportunity. Okay, dollar yen is big bull. At least if you look at first of all monthly on dollar yen, as you can see that this is a long-term bullish market, big bullish market, monthly historically bullish. There is a big impulse to the upside, followed by this back-to-back 3 months drop. Now this month, after creating a higher low, dollar yen created this impulse again. And what I think that this market will have a shoot to the upside. Now if we take this zone here, this 3 months drop, Fibonacci from high, that this is the starting of Fibonacci high to the low, but we see that dollar yen, at least in the first move, we can expect a 38.2% Fibonacci level. But in this level, what I think that after breaking this monthly high, okay, we will see some drop, and this is where we will be using the lower time frame on the 5 minutes. If today the market breaks 134.79 during the news, we will be selling dollar yen. Looking at weekly, this is a very important level of resistance, and from here we can expect a bounce, looking, because you see the weekly back to back quite a few weeks bullish move. Now going to this resistance will give us 5 minutes selling opportunity on dollar yen. Looking at daily, this is a change of trend from long-term downtrend, okay, creating series of lower high and lower low, and then consolidated here, grab liquidity, and then strongly broken to the upside, creating a level of resistance here, support here, turning support here, penetrated that level, grab liquidity, and then we see every day the price is going up. So this is a resistance that I'm expecting the price to be respected, or not to be respected but to be broken and then to come back down again. So from the 4-hour perspective, what I see that dollar yen, see that the price is pushing high. So this is a very important level to look at, which is still see 100 pip to move, but during the news we might see a spike, and that can give us an opportunity to sell. So looking at gold, guys, okay, news coming up in 5 minutes. Let's focus on gold and other USD pairs to see. Okay, so we'll be jumping on a trade if there is anything coming up. As soon as the news we see that entry point, we'll jump on a trade. It's getting volatile. This is the support 1824. Guys, give a big thumbs up. No problem, Strong. Thank you. Eurusdjpy, please Eurusdjpy. Yeah, we'll look at all of them. First, let's see the news, how it is doing. Can we see some? Pretty exciting, isn't it? So because gold in a very important level of support, and I think that from 1824 we should see a big bounce on gold. So 2 minutes remaining. As of gold, I think gold we can find buying opportunity at 1824. Let's see, guys, keep in mind everything in this stream is only for educational purpose, nothing to be taken any kind of investment or any kind of advice. All the things in this stream only for educational purpose, only to help you learn to trade. Okay, we saw that it's been released probably. Okay, let's see what happened. There's some weakness in gold. Okay, we see that mixed reaction. Very different data than what has been expected, but good for DXY. So we might see some drop in gold as usual, as expected. Okay, still not that much of volatile yet. We might see some initially, could see some drop. Now this level at 18, okay, we see some movement now coming down. Okay, so dollar yen. So you see that DXY getting stronger. So let gold first drop. Okay. Let it come to this level. If we see entry point, you will buy gold from here. Okay, on the 5 minutes time frame. Let this market to do some job for us. So there is a big gap on the weekly. This is a Fibonacci level as well on the monthly. Let me draw this level here. So if gold drop to 1824, if we see proper price action pattern, we'll go long. Okay, so from the 5 minutes we say that there is a bearish candle. Now you see there is a structure here. Now the price is testing this support as a resistance, and we'll see how this one is doing here. We need to be patient here, guys. Patience is the key. So our focus on gold now to see if we can find a bullish trading opportunity here. Okay, so far in this time frame the price showing bearish momentum. Okay, we saw the GBP AUD has dropped to the level that we expected with the 5 minutes. So far we see a double bottom on the 5 minutes. Okay, so if you look at the 1 hour, now if this current candle cannot break this low, there's a question, either it's coming down or okay guys, so we see that gold now coming to a level. It's still double bottom here. Now the reason I'm waiting to buy gold is because if you look at a bigger picture from the weekly, we see that the price already has a massive drop here. Monthly, the price is in monthly Fibonacci level. Place your Fibonacci on the monthly, you'll see exactly that the price is just hitting 38.2% Fibonacci level. Okay, weekly, this is a weekly zone where there is a gap opening. support daily. Also there is a important level of support. So you see higher time frame confluence. Now this is a very important support zone here. From the 4 hour we have seen that after this bearish candle the price is approaching this level. If you look at the past, you see there is a big rejection from here with quite a few dodges, weakless candle, previous support, turn, previous resistance, turning support here. Okay, so you can see when this long wick candle came, it didn't penetrate this level here, so there is a lot of liquidity below this level, below 1824. And what I think that touching 1824 we should see a spike to the upside. Okay guys, make sure you give a big like and also subscribe if you haven't done yet, and also check out the website link in the description if you want to learn our strategies, all the educational courses. And also if you are our member, you will have this indicator, our TF or trend following strategy indicator. We use our strategy is translated to a Pine script, available for all the students who are our lifetime member. So you see in this 1 hour chart, can we look at dollar yen, what it did. Eurujpy and CHFJPY. They created an overextended market, Eurujpy. Okay, we might see some, yeah, the market is overextended now to the upside. Okay, on CHFJPY, now the buyers might find it difficult to push the price high. If you go to Eurujpy, yeah, we might see some downward movement, but before that I'll wait for a double top or a head and shoulder. Okay, we might see some drop on these pairs. Okay, we see that gold is probably trying to be bullish from here, creating a double bottom. You see there is a double bottom here. Okay, but still I'll not be impressed until I see this level is hitting here, 1824, or just maybe monthly. From monthly Fibonacci it's going up. Didn't reach yet. Little bit of remaining. Let this candle close first. I'll wait for a spike down. Okay, here we go. Probably will see the downward movement now. Okay, GBP is coming down again. Okay, we will be wait this one also to see if we can find entry opportunity on this one. This one is coming to a very important level of support. GBP to is coming to a zone where we might find bullish trade. Let me see how this one is doing here. So this support is very important here. You see this is the same level acted here as a resistance, support, and also this is the neckline of this pattern here. Okay, so keep shortlisted GBP gold. Okay, ask for EuroCAD. Okay, EuroCAD, I think that it will now come down to test the lower part of the daily and then will go up again. Let it break the daily support and then we'll see that again jumping to the upside. But I think that you see this is the candle coming bearish. After breaking this low, you could see EuroCAD again going up. Okay, so for me to buy EuroCAD, if this support is broken, overextended, this is the support on the daily. What I think that EuroCAD might test some part of the daily candle. So probably will break this low. Yeah, that could be the zone for EuroCAD. And I think that on the daily, if you look at, okay, this is the daily, the previous day's doji. Today we might see this candle is breaking down, testing this level, and then going back up again to daily 20 EMA. So EuroCAD, this level, see this long wick candle, either creating a higher low with this or creating a lower high, we could see that EuroCAD is going up. So this is the zone that we can expect for buying EuroCAD. This is 5-minute chart with this long wick candle coming here, creating a lower high or higher low, and then going back up. So gold, we see that it's created a double bottom and trying to break out. See, let's see what happened. Okay, not now GBP. What I'm expecting GBP to come to this support. Okay, the reason what I'm saying, you see this is the daily candle, back to back, 2 daily dojis created a series of higher low. Today also, so far there has been a bullish move. If it come down to the daily support here to the doji zone, there could be a bounce. There is a bounce there, high probability that from this level could see a bounce. Now to buy GBP, what we need, let the price come here, give us a double bottom. Okay, we need a reversal here, double bottom especially, and then we'll be buying GBP. Okay, stop loss below this low GP, but let it come first and then let it form a double bottom. Okay, for gold, okay, so if gold cannot break this low, all right, we might find bullish move. So we see a double bottom here on gold now, okay, with a, yeah, this one is a higher low. We see double bottom with a higher low. Now we see the breakout. So if we see this is a reversal to the upside, tested the neckline here, we will go long from here. Okay, slowly it is trying to create a pattern, but we need a double bottom here. Okay, you see GBP on the daily, this candle, it left a long wick at the top, and at least some part of this long wick will be filled today. Okay, because it already dropped, let's say at least the 20 EMA, we can expect it to fill up to the upside. So if we see a double bottom here, we will immediately buy GBP targeting to the upside. Probably we can trade on AUD. Let me try it and see. Just let's see. Then gold reversed. Okay, so if this one is closing like that, we might buy gold, placing a pending order first. Let me see. So we see that there is a double bottom, you can see. Now we see a breakout from this double bottom. So if this is the case, then we should see again back down for a retest. Then we should see that reversing if that's the case. Look like the dollar yen also has formed kind of reversal pattern here. Let it form a reversal. Okay, if we see dollar yen has formed a double top, So we see that gold to this double bottom has broken to the upside, testing this resistance as support. Okay, we see spike down. Basically now they are gathering liquidity, big boys. Okay. Jerk for GBP AUD. I think GBP AUD in a very important level of support, but only the thing is that monthly is little bit of bearish, but weekly is bullish because back to back two dodges is still bullish. Daily from here we should see some bullish move, but let's keep aside that one now. Looking at, okay, we see a candle close on gold and all the instrument. So we see gold failed to create a lower low. Let me see. Okay, so we'll go long with gold now, right? Stop loss, there is a double bottom. We'll keep little bit of space here. Take profit 321. Okay, reward to risk. Now I'll be opening in my account too. First, let me send to the students. So we'll be buying gold from here. Keep in mind everything here is only for educational purpose. So let me open the same account here. So I'll explain the reason this open. So there As I mentioned that anything can happen in trading. Just open a position on gold, buy position from here. It creates a double bottom, and as the price on the monthly Fibonacci level, okay, we can expect now a bounce to the upside. Okay, so we, based on 5 minutes, as you can see, there is a double bottom here. Okay, there is a double bottom, and we kept a room for stop loss. So the last price that reaches 1830 31 level, from here we saw that there's a double bottom here, and then the price trying to break to the upside. Now there could have a spike down and then could go up, or even we could see a bullish move from here. Okay, so you can because I put it 3 times TP, less than 3 times, but we might be able to extend the TP if the price is going in the direction. Just let's see. So now from the 4-hour perspective, we saw that this doji couldn't break the low. Okay, so, and this is a, you can see this is a very important, there is a probability to drop to this level again, but what we have seen that from the lower time frame and from the monthly aspect, this is a Fibonacci level from the monthly, and from this zone we can expect primarily a bounce. Okay, from the weekly also the price is heading this level. So if it breaks, then could be 1824. If it rise up to the level, then we could see that now if you look at the daily, see there is a daily weekly candle right here. This is a weekly candle. not a weakness candle but daily support. From this support we have seen okay, so let's find out what happened and then we'll jump onto the other instrument. What's happening, we'll look at it. Okay, gold, yeah, absolutely. Eurocad, so can you tell reason for GBP? I think the GBP will look at it now. There is a bounce on GBP okay, GBP keep. Yeah, today secure 5% total. Very good. Thank you, Joe. Awesome. Very good. Very good. This is what we need. You guys secure and be on it. So we see that GBP in fact has a bounce from this level as I mentioned. So GBP is on the track to the upside. Okay, I think it's now going to go to this level here, right? So we open gold. Let's keep gold on to see what happened, and then I think GBP also good trade for bullish now. We see that there is a big bullish engulfer followed by a doji, created an inverted head and shoulder here. Okay, yeah, I think this one is likely to go up. You'll keep the gold buy on. On 35 punches. So if we see a movement to the upside, we'll bring our SL at we'll move our SL to this level where there is the double bottom. Okay, so we are trading gold on 5 minutes time frame. If it bounce, there will be a big bounce and it should go up to the upside. Now, in case if gold reverse back, hit our SL, in that case we'll be entering from here 1824 again. Make sure guys you do the proper risk management. Keep in mind, everything in this stream is only for educational purpose, nothing to be taken any kind of investment advice or any kind of advice, financial advice. This is only for educational purpose. So keep gold running. Okay, let's see what happened. Let me look at other pairs. GBP AUD, I think it's also setting up for uprise. You see there is an inverted head and shoulder here. Okay, you see that now it is pushing high. The AUD USD. Okay, we see some pickup. It's good. So if it goes up, start the pickup. Okay, goes halfway, we'll close some part of the profit and then we'll move our SL here. Okay, so we see some pickup. Okay guys, make sure you like the stream and also subscribe to the channel, and also check out the link in the description. Go to the website if you want to learn our strategies, how we are trading, all the educational content you will be able to access once you are our member. So basically this one is still moving. So if it reach 1840 level, we'll be taking some profit out of that hill. So looking at all the pairs to see look like that AUD USD it's like bulls are putting some effort, okay, for pushing high. Okay, let it run. Let me look at other pairs, guys. In the meantime, let me know in the chat which one you are trading. Thanks for content, coach. No problems, Pascal. Thank you very much. Okay, let's keep it running. We'll see what happens. In the meantime, we see the JPY pairs. Let me look at all the instrument that has closed candle to see. Bears a little bit of stronger still. So we'll keep that one running. Let me look at other pairs. What's happening with GBP, UD, and so if we look at some other instrument, what they're doing. Okay, so from this support, okay, so what we see now, so this double bottom is still remaining, so it's still maintaining the double bottom. What we need, a spike up. Okay, a spike up will give what we need. Okay, so let that keep running on gold. I'm just looking at all those pairs, guys, to see. The USD has a significant drop, and this one has the highest drop today. Okay, guys, so I'm almost okay, so you see some pickup. Okay, so that's what we need, some bullish move. Okay, so we are at our entry now. This 5-minute candle is very important. If we see that that one has go past this level, closed above, we'll see some significant movement. So gold is at our entry. Okay, you're almost at, you're nearly at entry, and as you can see, it is creating now series of high and low. So there is a, first of all, it created a double bottom. Now we see another higher low created, so we could see some bullish move for this because it's not being able to break this low, so we need, yeah, we see some bullish move coming up, probably highly likely. And if it is going there, let's say at around 1840 level, we'll take 50% off and then we'll move our stop loss at entry. Okay, we see some movement, very good. I'm on profit now. Okay, good job. Yeah guys, so yeah, we are in a profit zone. Okay, if this is, once this one will pass this level, okay, we'll take 50% off. And how many of you are running this trade with me? Oh, thank you. So I'm sure at gold, my analysis was that it took out sellers for liquidity and might go next support zone. Yeah, so this is a short-term trade, Amjad. We could see later back down, but for the short term, we are expecting some bullish move, and that's the advantage that we are taking. So okay, thanks. Awesome, thank you, Omaya. Awesome, very good. I mean, thank you. Awesome, very good. So what we need is gold buy. Okay, awesome. All right, so what we need is basically this resistance to be broken, let's say around 1839. Okay, looks like that we might see some break to the upside. Just need it. Okay, good job. Try to break it up. So what we saw, that basically gold here, you see first of all there's a double bottom and then again a higher low, so there is a probability now for now this current candle should be able to break this high 1839 level. Okay, see some attempt coming from buyers. So far in this zone, bulls are bit stronger, but they couldn't break this high. So let's see if they can do it now. Okay, that's what we need. So we need a break of this resistance level somehow. Okay, we see the 1839 is broken. What we're gonna do if we break this high, okay, in this level where there is 18 in the, if it breaks this resistance, then very high probability it will go to this level here to test this one here, okay, which is 1844 level. So if it breaks this level, then our TP1 will set at 1844. Okay, take 50% at 1844. We'll move our stop loss at entry, and we'll keep our original target on for the rest of the 50%. Okay, we see some break. Okay, let it break this resistance. Awesome. We could see a gap opening and break. Good job. We see there are two possibilities now here. Firstly, okay, this one needs to break to the upside, otherwise we might see downward move. It must close above this resistance to continue to the upside. You see the price couldn't create a higher high, so we are expecting it to. Now we see some effort coming. We need to see that this candle has gone up, closed above. So very good. Okay, so if this current 5 minutes candle cannot break this high, then we might close the position. Let's see. Okay, let's see in the chat. Thanks guys, give a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you want to trade with us. As you can see, this is our community trade. If you want to do some more trading with us in our Forex Trading Wizard Academy, in our VIP Telegram channel, and also learn our strategies, have all the trading tools that you can find a link in the description area. You can visit the website and join us to become an independent trader, to learn our strategies, and also to see how we are trading every day. You will be the lifetime member in our academy if you are joining in the lifetime plan. So you see that basically now this current sessions candle is very important. We see a double top. Guys, we might need to see what happened this one. Okay guys, so what we see that the price, as I mentioned, that couldn't break this resistance, so you might see now there is a two-way possibility, is to have another drop, or after testing this level again to have a bullish spike to the upside. Now as I will be ending this session, I will be closing the trade with running profit, and also I will advise the students to close trade with running profit. Okay, and we will open again one, we will find it. It's up to you, you can run or you can close with the situation currently we have, because it's look like that we might see some downward move on this one again, or going up. So as I'm ending this session, I've closed the trade and will open again once I will find the opportunity. Okay guys, so with that said, I'm gonna end this session. I sincerely believe that guys you enjoyed this live session and also found value in it. There will be a lot like this in the future. We'll keep running, because this is just starting and there is a lot of things coming up in the future. So if you enjoyed this session, make sure you give a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. I will be coming live tomorrow at the same time, along with some other content. And if you want to do some more trading, receive the trade alert that we are trading, and also learn our strategies, there is a link in the description area. You can visit us, join us to become an independent trader. So as you can see that there is a now two-way probability on gold. As I mentioned, that we might see some further drop, but if gold is dropping to this level at 1824, a good buy position. Okay, we'll be buying gold at 1824 as soon as you will see that like this 5 minutes price action. I'll keep watching still until the end of this New York session. Any trade coming up on the way, I will be sending to the students, and also I will be opening in my account. Thank you very much for joining here. I'll see you tomorrow again.